versus only of Guts Delight. Gets away immediately. Heartstrong is running by Adriel Salinas, the Fountainhead. Then comes Real Value, Papi's Diamond, about 10 wide. Then followed by Nobody But You. And trailing the group is Unica Champ. Heartstrong is running by Adriel, the Fountainhead in the middle. And on the outside, third Salinas. Papi's Diamond is racing in fourth. Castellar in fifth. Real Value in sixth. Seventh now is Nobody But You alongside is Most Unbelievable and Unica Chumta. And still Heartstrong moving up now is the Fountainhead. Papi's Diamond. Castellar, here comes Real Value coming closer in fourth. Together with Nobody But You down on the inside. Papi's Diamond takes the lead. Real Value is running by the Fountainhead. Heartstrong in fourth. Here comes Most Unbelievable with Papi's Diamond by about 2 lengths. And in second is the Real Value. Most Unbelievable. Nobody But You is running by as they come down at the last of the day. Papi's Diamond, Real Value is nicking down on the inside. Now is Nobody But You. Papi's Diamond, Nobody But You moves up over Real Value. And finally, Nobody But You. Real Value, Papi's Diamond, Unica Champ, Most Unbelievable, Heartstrong.
Okay, only the third choice crossing the wire first, ha? Umabol na rin sa benta itong Nobody But You. At actually, na second choice pa pala ito. Naging segundo llamado. Itong numero 2, Nobody But You. Unofficial winner dito sa ating race number 4.